Hey guys, today's video is about how to make money on YouTube or through Google AdSense, and I will post it in Notion with my blog that you can go look for step-by-step instructions, but I'm basically going to go over this just briefly. Basically, you gotta go to your settings and go all the way to the bottom and hit monetize, and then it'll take you, say, connect Google AdSense account, or actually it'll pop up with a thing that has terms of use, confirming you're 18. If you are not 18, then your parents have to create an account, which is really big deal because it took me forever. I'll explain all that in the blog. But then basically, you don't get paid unless you connect an AdSense account, because that's how Google pays you. Basically, they see your videos, and see the ads, and if they click on it, I believe you get a little more, and it's just all through that, and it's a really cool thing. I have ads on my videos, and it's really fun, and thanks for watching, and please check out my blog. Thanks.